To pursue a green, pure, and beautiful world, Hongbaoli focus on scientific R&D, innovate in production process, and explore the limitation of technology. We contribute our share to improving human living environment. We have industry-leading PU rigid foam, blended polyol industrial base, isopropanolamine products R&D and production center, PO industrial base, energy-saving new materials industrial base, etc. Our top engineers in these fine organizations use innovative technologies to create excellent products. Many new created technologies have filled the domestic gap and lead the developing direction of the industry. Our high-quality blended polyol products make a refrigerator more environmental friendly, air conditioner more energy efficient, and vehicles carbon emission lower. The independently developed isopropanolamine series products play an important role in medicine and pesticide intermediates and many other industrial fields. Widely used high-flame retardant insulation panel give people a safer, healthier, livable construction space. Propylene oxide and lithium battery series products produced by the new generation of technologies allow more people to use green products. Through the overall arrangement in the field of new energy, supply chain logistics, and international trade services, we have become an advanced enterprise with excellent products, complete supply system, and quality service. Taking root in China and serving the world, we're now providing professional products and supporting solutions to over 50 countries and regions worldwide by our strong technical strength. Hongbaoli dedicated to make our green dream realized in the whole world.